Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lithuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
On Friday, 31 October 2025, at 9:02 a.m., the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department, EMPD, Intervention Unit members, in conjunction with private security and crime intelligence, arrested 7 foreign nationals between the age of 38 and 25 years for possession of hijacked trailer, stock and illegal immigration in Benoni. While members were busy with law enforcement duties, they received information from a reliable source about a truck that was hijacked in the early hours of the morning in Pretoria. The following coordinates the officer were led to plot Gwendolyn Street in Ipititi. Upon arrival, they caught the 7 foreign nationals in act of loading the hijacked trailer with a stock that is worth 1.2 million rand. While searching the property, members also recovered additional stock reported stolen last month with a Donpark case number. The owner of hijacked trailer was called to the scene to come and confirm if all his stock is there. The local Criminal Record Center, LCRC, was called to take fingerprints and the hijacked trailer was taken to Van Rooyen Pound for further investigations. Detained at the Crystal Parks police station, the 7 male suspects face charges of possession of a reported hijacked motor vehicle, possession of hijacked stock and being in contravention of the Immigration Act. The suspect will appear before the Benoni Magistrate Court soon.
Kulonyaka ozayo ufuna ngithathe i-trip eMozambique. Mhlambe before kuphela unyaka ngizama ukuthatha i-trip ngiye eZimbabwe. Kunento engifuna ukuyibona uma ngifika kula mazwe. Ngibuka sengathi iSouth Africa kulula kakhulu ukwenza ubugebengu. Ngihlezi ngisho lento, akukwazi ukuthi kungasuka abantu ezweni labo bazokwenza ubugebengu la. Akukwazi ukuthi kungasuka abantu ezweni labo bayeke ukwenza ubugebengu khona, bayeke ukuhijack ama-truck wakhona, bazo-hijack ama-truck wala. Mhlampe la umthetho awusebenzi. Ngikusho lokhu ngoba uma ngifika eSwazini, into engafike ngayiqaphela nje, ngafike ngazibonela amaphoyisa angaphethe ibhamu. Ngasibuka lesimo, ngase ngibuka amasosha ngathi amasosha kuphela aphethe ibhamu. Kodwa uma sengibuza omunye wakhona wangitshela ukuthi hayi, ubugebengu abukho lapha. Akekho umuntu obanjwe inkunzi eSwaziland, akekho umuntu obanjwe inkunzi. Othi nje ubanjwe inkunzi ngoba uma kwenzekile waphambana nomthetho, bayashesha ukukulungisa ube right. Wathi lo bhuti kimi engangikhuluma naye, uma ungasuqhumisa isibhamu la, lingashona ilanga sowutholakele. Ngakhumbula udaba olwenzeka ngapha eMpumalanga. Kukhona insizwe ezabulala iphoyisa zasezibaleka zibalekela eSwazini. uGeneral Fani Masemula kanye no-Lieutenant General Zef Mkhwanazi owuCommissioner waseMpumalanga baxhumana namaphoyisa aseSwazini. Sathola umbiko ngesonto ukuthi zibanjiwe lezo nsizwa zaseke zifuna ukulwa namaphoyisa, avela azidubula azibulala. Amaphoyisa aseSwaziland avela azidubula azibulala kwaphela ngazo. Ingakho-ke ngithi kulula ukwenza ubugebengu eSouth Africa ngoba labantu bayeke ukwenza ubugebengu emazweni akubo bazobenza la. Shuthi kulula, azilele phambili. SAPS Northwest, a multidisciplinary cross-border crime intelligence operation led to the arrest of 6 suspects aged between 28 and 48 on Thursday, 30 October 2025 on the R559 road between Carltonville and Randfontein. Acting on a tip-off, the team operationalized information regarding a planned hijacking of a truck transporting meat from Potchefstroom with an estimated value of more than 500,000 rand.
Siyawubonga kakhulu umsebenzi wenziwa ngamaphoyisa. Nalo wathiphile amaphoyisa ukuthi asimazi kodwa fanele abongwe. Ne-crime intelligence ifanele ibongwe ngoba ukube akazange ayikhiphe le information bekungeke kwaziwa ukuthi kunabantu abaplana ukuhijack i-truck. Awu-imagine abantu abasebenzayo. U-driver bekungenzeka ukuthi bamdubule ashone. Bekungenzeka futhi ukuthi u-driver bamyeka aphile noma bambophe noma bamlahle la bazomlahla khona asale ephila bawuthathe wonke umsebenzi. U-driver akasenamsebenzi. Abasebenzi laba abasebenza kule company sebezosebenza ini? Ngoba phela balinda ukuthi kufike umthwalo bezokwazi mangabe besenze warehouse bekwazi ukuthatha lo mthwalo bawupheke la ufuneka uphekwe khona uphume udistribute la uye la ufuneka uye khona. So lobugebengu lobu bebuzo affect abantu abaningi. Bekuzo-affect abantu abaningi. Asithathe udaba engicabanga ukuthi lokugcina bese siyayivala ivideo. Ithe uma ngena ku-X eyaziwa ngeTwitter ngazithela pheka nansi post. Ithi Special Task Force raids Ngakamodiri Molema District Municipality amid a 10.6 billion rand corruption probe. 10.6 billion rand, that's how much was looted from the peoples of Mahikeng, Northwest. Officials were reported locked inside as investigators demanded financial records linked to the corruption cartel and ANC political funding networks. This was not mismanagement, this was organized theft.
Breaking news. Remo Mahikeng local municipality. Mahikeng local municipality is closed down. Babereki unfortunately ke bale ha ba khone go tswa ba tshwere ke tlala ba ka seje ba ka setswe fortunately ba bangwe ke bale kontle kwa ka maswabi ba tswaletswe go itlala di investigations di hela ke bala ba uka ba ra bala metsi a bala dijo yeah ke bona I think a special tax team if le gopola ha General Mkhwanazi ane a dira press a briefing on a apere uniform ya special tax team ba ba tswetseng ha ba apere the same uniform e tshwanang le ya ga General Mkhwanazi. Yeah so baagi ke tla ka tlhamalalo mo go lona ke le itsise gore ha o nona le maikaelelo a go tla mo masepala o ka se thusege ga gona gore o ka tla mo masepala wa bona thuso ba getso ke ba batlisisi ga gona ope o tlileng go kgona go tswa ka maswabi ha ayo o tlileng go kgona go tswa ba tla dula mo until 6 o'clock ba tshwere ke tlala ba tshwere ke lenyora the reports tota gore le ke ipotsa gore tota crime ya mo Mahikeng local municipality e ne tla hela leng ya tendiwa leng. So it is very important gore masepala ya Ngakamodiri Molema le yone must be held accountable. Ntse e dira se se batlang, stealing money, looting money, failing to render services to the people. So yeah, at least go bohelong go a khonega go a direga ke nako.
Amaphoyisa wonke angakuvakashela mangathiwa kune crime oyenzile akufanelanga kufika i-special task force. Ayisho ukuthi usuke ubugebengu bakho sebukwelinye izinga uma sekufika nje special task force. Funeka kufike lama SAPS ajwayelekile. Ngisho i-TRT ayifuneki. Uma kuthiwa nje uzofunwa ngamaphoyisa ngisho i-TRT ayifuneki. ngoba okokuqala lamaphoyisa ayashaya, okwesibili kuyenzeka afike lamaphoyisa esivala ubuso ungawaboni. Njengoba nje ekhuluma lo bhuti ukuthi uthi special task force ngoba uyawabona agqoke camouflage lamaphoyisa. Azofuna lento ayifunayo, avala isango, afuna lento ayifunayo, komuntu ophumayo, komuntu ongenayo. Kodwa-ke umsebenzi wabo usho ukuthi ubugebengu bakho busuke sekukwelinye izinga mase uzofunwa yila maphoyisa. La njengoba kuthiwa special task force, hayi baya-specialize labantu. And eqinisweni lonke ayashayana amaphoyisa, ayashayana amaphoyisa. Akushaya amaphoyisa ube right. Ngiyakhumbula u-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ekhuluma nge-special task force, mayikhuluma ngendaba yase-Richards Bay, RPM. Ethi i-TRT kanye ne-special task force amaphoyisa lawa that are doing the dirty work of amaphoyisa and awaye court. Siyazi ukuthi uma amaphoyisa ebopha umuntu kufuneka kuhambe isikhathi afika ayofakaza ecourt. Kodwa uma kufike lamaphoyisa lawa ngakushaya akushiye kanjalo, noma ungafaka i-complaint ngeke ubabone ecourt, abaye ecourt. Ukuthi isikhathi asikho bengizokucaphunela lo video leyo labathi khona i-special task force amaphoyisa lawa that are doing the dirty work. Iwona makuthiwa kufuna kuyongenwa kule yandlu, kufuna kuyophulwa kule yandlu, kungenwa ngenkani, iwona amaphoyisa afuneka ayongena lapho. Wena amaphoyisa lawa afuneka makuthiwa kuyadutshulwana angabi nankinga yokubhekana naleso simo ngoba atrainiwe. Siyawubonga kumsebenzi, awuncoma futhi umsebenzi wamaphoyisa. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.